Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we are going to solve another exercise based on Harshad numbers. We have to print the Harshad numbers within the given range. In previous exercise we understood what are Harshad numbers and then we wrote the program which identified whether the input number is a Harshad number or not. So Harshad number is a positive number which is evenly divisible by sum of its own digits. Take an example of 18. It has got two digits 1 and 8. If we add them we get 9 and 18 is evenly divisible by 9. The result is 2. So it is a Harshad number. Similarly 54 is a Harshad number because the sum of its digit is 9. If we try to divide 54 by 9 we get 6. This means 54 is a Harshad number. In contrary, 11 and 14 are not Harshad number because we cannot evenly divide these numbers by sum of their digits. So we wrote then program which took the input from the user to find out whether it is a Harshad number or not. I'm going to copy this code and then I will paste it in this cell because I will be using the same code to find out whether the given number is a Harshad number from the given sequence of number. So this time I'm going to take the input of the upper limit from the user rather than the number itself. So I'm going to call this variable name upper limit and then we will say that enter the upper limit of the range and that is going to be inclusive. And now I will not be putting summation over here. So I'm going to write down a loop. Let's say that it is for j in range 1 to upper limit plus 1. Why plus 1? Because this parameter is going to be exclusive. So the upper limit is always exclusive and therefore we want to include it in the sequence. So I'm going to add 1 to this. And then if you will print j with end set as comma including this space, and now let us see what sequence of number it generates for us. Let us execute this. I'm going to input 15 as the upper limit and now you can see we have got the sequence of numbers starting from 1 to 15. Now inside this loop I'm going to place my previous code. So what we will do is we will set it to be inner part of the outer loop. Now in here what we will do is whatever number is extracted from the sequence of number, we will use it to identify whether it is a Harshad number or not. So we will say that num is basically j and then we will add the digits of this number which we have extracted from the sequence generated by the range, and later on once this task is over we will check whether j is evenly divisible by the summation or not. If it is, then that jth number is a Harshad number, otherwise it is not. Now I'm going to execute this code. Let us say that the upper limit is 15. It says that 1 is a Harshad number. So all the single digit numbers are Harshad numbers starting from 1 till 9, and 10 is also a Harshad number, and thereafter 11 is not a Harshad number, 12 is a Harshad, and 13 is not, 14 is not, and 15 is not a Harshad number.